Today we have the innocent looking quartic equation, x to the power of 4 plus 2 equals 0. So in this video we're going to find all values of x that will satisfy this equation. Okay, so from the left hand side we have x to the power of 4, which we can rewrite as x squared whole squared, and then plus 2 is same as root of 2 whole squared. Let us keep watching because we're going to see a very nice magic here. Okay, so here if I should add 2 multiply by the x which is squared, then multiply by root 2 which is squared, then I'm going to subtract it to root 2 x squared, then I'm going to let everything equal 0. But did you realize something? Are you aware that this part here is a perfect square? Take a look. When we have a plus b and this is squared, this is giving us a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So this right over here is related to this, right? So which obviously show that we have x squared plus the square root of 2 whole squared, and the minus 2 root 2 x squared, and this is equal to 0. Now we're about to make a difference of two squares. So here we have x squared plus root of 2 whole squared, then minus 2 root 2 is same as root 8. Don't forget. So we have root of 8, and then here squared. This is equal to 0. So from here we have x squared plus root of 2 whole squared, and then minus, so we know this is going to be in bracket root of 8 whole squared, because if you square this, square cancel this first square root, then remaining this second square root, which is we have here, and then we have x here, everything is squared, then we have this is equal to 0. So we use this difference of two squares formula. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this becomes x squared plus square root of 2 plus square root of 8 is same as 4th root of 8, right? So we have 4th root of 8 x, then multiply by x squared plus root of 2 minus the 4th root of 8x. So this is equal to 0. So we have two quadratic equations to solve. We have x squared plus the 4th root of 8x plus the square root of 2 equals 0. We also have x squared minus the 4th root of 8x plus square root of 2 equals 0. So from here we use the general quadratic formula. Here we get x is equal to negative b will be negative 4th root of 8 plus or minus the square root of b squared is 4th root of 8 squared, leaving us with only square root of 8. The minus 4ac will be 4 root 2. Then everything is divided by 2. And here x will be, this one will become 4th root of 8, then plus or minus the square root of, this will be square root of 8 minus 4 root 2 divided by 2. Don't forget that the square root of 8 is equal to 2 root 2, right? So we have x equals negative 4th root of 8 plus or minus the square root of, this is 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2, giving us negative 2 root 2. Then divided by 2. And here x equals 4th root of 8. This here is plus or minus square root of negative 2 root 2 divided by 2. So here we have our final solution. X equals negative 4th root of 8 plus or minus square root of negative 1 is iota. Now 2 root 2 is root 8, then square root of 8 is giving us 4th root of 8. Then divided by 2. Well simplified, right? Really interesting. And here we just have opposite sign. So 4th root of 8 plus or minus I 4th root of 8 divided by 2. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe, also like, comment and share.